In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect frames in a prototype. To begin, make sure your design file is open and you're ready to create simple, clickable flows. The very first move is to switch into prototype mode. Look for the area in your interface where you can change from designing to prototyping, often labeled clearly, and click on Prototype. This changes the workspace so you can link screens together, and it also reveals the visual controls that let you build interactions. With prototype mode active, select the frame you want to make interactive. A frame is the container for a screen or page in your design. Click directly on the frame's boundary or its title so you're selecting the whole frame, not just a layer or element inside it. If your selection feels uncertain, try clicking the frame's name in the Layers panel or click on an empty part of the frame background to ensure the entire screen is highlighted. Proper selection here matters because the connection handle only appears when the frame itself is selected. Once the frame is selected in prototype mode, you'll notice a small circle appear near the center area of the frame's edge, often around the middle on one side. This is the connection handle. If you don't see it right away, zoom in a bit or check that you truly are in prototype mode and not still in design mode. The handle can be subtle, so a closer view helps. Think of this circle as a starting point for a flow. It tells the tool where interactions from this frame will lead. Now click on that small circle and drag it toward the destination frame you want to connect to. As you drag, you should see a line following your cursor, showing the path of the connection. Keep dragging until your cursor is over the target frame, then release. The line will attach itself to the second frame, confirming the link is set. If the line snaps to an unintended spot or another frame, simply drag the endpoint to the correct frame. You can also reposition your frames on the canvas to keep the lines neat and easy to follow. That's all there is to it. By switching to prototype mode, selecting the correct frame, finding the small connection circle and dragging it to another frame, you've created a clear, interactive flow. This simple connection lays the foundation for building intuitive navigation and testing user journeys right inside your prototype.